Students, this is the help video for the key questions. Problems number 5 and 6, both involving constructions. 5 and 6, both involving constructions. Now, I'm not going to do the entire problem. I'm just going to get you through the constructions and the labeling. So we are told the triangle to the right, the fact that RPQ is 88 and PRQ is 64. RPQ is 88 and PRQ is 64. So we have here 88 degrees, 64 degrees. And then we have 3 constructions. First construction, I'm going to do this one in red. We're going to construct an altitude from point P to side RQ, the intersection of the altitude to the side RQ is J. So an altitude is a smiley, dimple, dimple. So from P to RQ. So you open up your compass so it's just past the far side here. It is just past the far side. I got to get past it, just a hair. Got it. Smiley. So I got 2 points of intersection. Those are your dimples. At this point, you can choke up your compass. Don't change your compass settings between the dimples. Dimple, dimple. Doing this one in red. This is your altitude. And we're calling that point J at a right angle. That's an altitude. Okay, next one. It says we want to construct an angle bisector of PRQ, extend it past the side PQ, label that H. So angle bisector of PRQ. This is also a smiley, dimple, dimple. So right here, put your pivot, and it's a smiley. You have 2 points of intersection, one dimple, the other dimple. And line that up. It is an angle bisector. This point out here is not a midpoint, and we're calling that point H. Last one. It says we're going to construct a midpoint of PR and label that T and draw in the median Q to T with a straight edge. So now we're finding the midpoint of PR and labeling that midpoint T. Midpoint is an Archaearchy. Archaearchy. So just past what looks like the middle. Sweep. Come around the other side. Sweep. Now you're not drawing a line here. It's only a point. Be very careful with that. It's a median. So you eyeball the 2 points of intersection very carefully, and you're just drawing a tick mark there. It's a point. That point is T, and it is a midpoint, so hatch mark, hatch mark. And then we're drawing in the median Q to T. Warning, this is a median, not an angle bisector. Be very careful with this. Okay, this does not bisect this. It's just a median to the midpoint. There you go. With this, find all possible angles in the diagram.